Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. Today I have a tutorial for this gorgeous makeup look that I absolutely love it. You can learn this makeup in less than 5 minutes and do it yourself. Just follow along with me step by step and give it a try. So let's get started and do this eye makeup look together. To start, I'm using a dark pink eyeshadow and I've already applied tape from the outer corner of my eye towards the end of my eyebrow to ensure a clean eyeshadow application. This step is optional and you can use concealer and a brush to clean up the eyeshadow at the end of your eyelid if desired. Now I'm applying the pink eyeshadow all over my eyelid, even blending it into the outer corner to create a more elongated and lifted appearance, and also making sure to cover the entire eyelid as well. Next, I'm using this bright eyeshadow that has a gorgeous cherry red color. I apply to the outer corner of my eyelid and blend it up towards the middle. I also extend the brush towards the outer edge of my eyelid and blend it well to ensure that there are no harsh lines. By the way, if you notice that my voice, I'm so sorry. I unfortunately caught a cold, but I'm feeling much better now, so please excuse my hoarse voice. And I decided to darken the outer corner of my eyelid, so I used a black eyeshadow. I applied some of the eyeshadow close to my lash line and blended it outward and towards the center of my eyelid. Make sure to blend the eyeshadow well and also trust the process because this eye makeup will give you beautiful results without the tape. Okay, we've reached my favorite part. I'm using a gold glitter which is in powder form. I chose to apply the glitter to the center of my eyelid using a brush. The combination of colors with the gold glitter looks truly beautiful and I'm confident that you will love it too. I slowly add the glitter to the center of my eyelid and blended it with a brush. Truly, eye makeup without glitter is unimaginable. This beautiful shine adds a gorgeous touch to the eyeshadow colors and enhances their beauty. Next, I'm using eyeliner. I wasn't used to applying eyeliner with a tape, but it's a suitable option for beginners and you can easily create a winged eyeliner look. I usually extend the eyeliner line until the middle of my eyelid because it suits the shape of my eyes better. And now it's time to remove the tape. Let's see how much more beautiful your eye makeup looks, and I really love this technique. Alright, now it's time for the lower lash line. I use a flat and a small brush for applying eyeshadow. First, I use the dark pink shade and then I follow it up with a brown eyeshadow. To add more sparkle to your eyes, you can also use glitter for the lower lash line. It enhances the shimmer of your eye makeup and it creates a glamorous effect. I decided to use mascara, but if you like, you can also use false eyelashes. Thank you so much for watching the video up to this point. This eye makeup tutorial was very easy and effortless. Just follow along with me step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and leave your comments below. If you're interested in makeup content, I post makeup tutorial videos every week, so make sure to subscribe to my channel to stay updated and not miss out on new videos. I truly appreciate your support and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!
You know that's my assistant. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see. By your heart, I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, girl. Love the way